Sheshe. At yun na nga, sasakay na kami dito. Jaran! O, saan natin gustong pumesto? Oh, oh my God! Wow! Taran! Ayan guys, wala pa. Ilan pa lang kami. Ayan, paalis na. Malapit na. Woohoo! The view! Ayan, it's already 7 p.m. at waiting for the another passengers. Ayan, bye for now.